Tired of dead phones? This Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh gives your iPhone 6 Plus full charges, keeping you connected all day. Imagine never worrying about your battery again, even on long trips or busy days. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's a true power beast for all your devices, from smartphones to tablets. But it's not just big. Anker's PowerIQ intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, safest charge possible, making it incredibly smart. And thanks to dual USB ports, you can charge two devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing or powering your phone and tablet at once. This isn't just any portable charger. It's a reliable, compact powerhouse built for modern life on the go. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the best deal on this Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh via the Amazon link in the description below. Stop scrambling for outlets and grab the peace of mind that comes with dependable portable power. For anyone seeking the best electronics in 2025, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute must-have. Seriously, this is the ultimate portable charger, and I highly recommend it.